Hello and welcome to Akiti Institute. In this video, we will see what is a parallel gateway and how to use it in Flowable. To this end, we will create a new workflow. We will call it Parallel Gateway. This workflow starts by placing an order by the customer. This start event contains a form in which there is the full name, the email, and the address of the customer. So once this form is filled, we will go through the parallel gateway. The parallel gateway provides the capability to execute multiple tasks in parallel. So here, for example, we used the process payment and the preparation for the shipment task. Once those tasks are completed, the process will go automatically to the ship order task. As usual, every user task have to be assigned to a user or to a group. So here in the process payment, we have added all the fields existing in the start event with the same field keys in order to get the data from the start event and show them in this form. All those fields are read-only because we used them just to show data. And then we have added the options for the payment. So for the shipment preparation, we have just added a form that contains a comment. So then we go to the ship order. So let's create a new application for this new workflow. Once the application is created, we must publish it, and then we can go to the dashboard and choose our new application that we call it online order. So here we go now to the processes. Let's start the process. We fill the form and then click on Start Process. As you can see here, we have two activities, which are the process payment and the prepare for shipment. Those are the tasks that comes next to the parallel gateway. We can start with any one of them, but as you know here, they are shown to me because I am the only user. So let's start with the process payment. Now, as the process payment is filled, automatically the process will show the next form, which is the preparation for the shipment. As you know, it contains just the comment. Let's fill it and click complete. As you can see, the process have finished here. Why? Because the ship order task is not assigned to me. And also, it does not contain any form. So in this case, the process engine have completed automatically this task and go to the end event. So if you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And thank you. Goodbye.